I'm Darvin with Spot Free, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the capillary tube. Another name would be flow control for the drain line. So the first thing you do, this elbow here has a red collet. You push down, pull the 90-degree elbow out, and then the other end would actually have where the flow control is in, another collet where you push it down to pull that out. And then this is what's down in the drain line. You just pull that out and then replace it with the one that you had purchased to change that out with. You just push it back down into the drain line like that. Now when you first pull it out, you may need a pliers or something because they are a little tough, and you might want to put a little bit of lube around here when you go back together. You want to push it back down in on here like this. Just lock it in place. Make sure that that is locked in place, because when you turn the water pressure on, the pressure because of it will make that expand, and therefore it will not cause a leak. The other end you would push into the drain line like this, where it says drain. There again, make sure that's pushed in place. When you turn it back on, pressurizes, make sure that there's no leaks there. And that's how you change the capillary tube. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 717-628-2630, 717-628-2630. Thanks for watching the video today.